take you over here to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, and happy Valentine's Day to all of you beautiful ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you are spending this Valentine's Day with your loved ones. I'm here to bring you a very special look to go on and celebrate your Valentine's Day with your date night, your little brunch date, whatever time you're spending with your little boo thing. This is gonna be the perfect look for that. Y'all saw I started off with my all-time favorite eyeshadow primer, the Juvia's Place I Prep I Prime. Gotta make sure that your look lasts all day and all night. And then we are going in with that Juvia's Place Sweet Pinks palette. This is the perfect pink palette, you guys. The pinks are bold, bright, and just in your face and perfect for Valentine's Day. Now, another palette that I think is perfect for Valentine's Day is this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. And I'm just taking that dark burgundy shade just to deepen up my corner, add a little razzle of the dazzle, if you will. Ooh, child, I have been blending for my life. But for the look that we are trying to accomplish today, it is imperative that you blend, blend, blend. What that comic said, I can't think of his name, Benji. That's his name, Benji. He said, and then you gotta blend it out. And then you gotta blend it out. And of course, I couldn't let this look get away without doing a cut crease, y'all. And I'm just going back in with that Juvia's Place primer, and I am cutting my crease. Now this isn't going to be a full crease cut just because I didn't take it all the way to the outer part of my eye. It's more so of a inner part of the eye. I'm still trying to figure out the terminology. Y'all know I'm country, but I'm still trying to figure out the terminology that you would use. But it's not full cut crease, it's like a half a cut crease, you know. So I'm cutting the crease with that Juvia's Place primer. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, we are going back into that Huda Beauty's palette, and we are taking that creamy vanilla shade and we are placing it all over our lid because I want to keep the cut crease lid color simple, because y'all, we are gonna go in with something special in just a moment after I finish packing on this shade. Say it with me, and make sure that you go back in and blend it in and blend it in. There is no extra eyeshadow added on to this brush. I'm just taking what was left over on that brush and I am just blending it so there are no harsh lines. Everything just flows seamlessly. And y'all, we gotta go and do a wing for the girls. It has to be a nice, sharp, precise, clean wing, so when your boo thing look at you in your eyes, they can see that nice wing and say, ooh, look at your eyes, they look so good, ooh, nice and sexy. And y'all, this is what I meant when I said that I wanted to add a little pizzazz, a little razzle dazzle. We are going in with some glitter, and it is gonna be pink glitter that we add on. So when your man or your woman look at you in your eyes, they can really be hypnotized. And here is the completed look, you guys. I went and did my Fenty Kilowatt Foil highlighter on the cheeks. Do y'all see that? Gives like a purplish, pinkish hue. It is everything. And then I paired it with, you know, a little pink glossy lip, because even though your boo think is gonna want to kiss on you, we still gotta dress it up and make it real for him for just a second. I want to say thank you all for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join the tribe.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me?